know that some people think of training as an investment?
That's because it is. Training is an investment. When you spend the money, time and other resources to develop your staff, it will pay big dividends.
Yes, their service delivery will definitely improve, and so will the customers' delight with the goods and services.
This will definitely lead to improved revenue as these delighted customers do business with us and cause others to do the same.
If you are watching this presentation, it means that you are interested in some kind of training for you or your team. Why not call AIDE? They can help you improve your profits from the ground up. Their numbers are area code 876, telephone number 877-1470. That is 877-1470. You will be happy that you did. You may also send them an email at the address helpnow.aide@gmail.com.